Delap and Jackson will score goals for fun because all these two guys are created, dribblers, yes, assisters, yes. When it comes to football, using the brain, all these players are good on that. Cole Palmer and Kudus. So next season, having Cole Palmer, having Kudus in this Chelsea attack, Jackson will score 30 plus goals and Delap will also score 30 plus goals. Next season, having Mohamed Kudus, having Cole Palmer, in fact, Chelsea will are winning the Premier League. Next season, having Mohamed Kudus, having Cole Palmer, Chelsea next season we are winning the Champions League. I can't wait to see this. Maignan informed AC Milan that he wants to play for the pride of London, the best club in the world, the best club in London, the best club in England, Chelsea. Maignan said that I want to play for Chelsea. AC Milan, let me go. Let me go to Chelsea and win the Champions League. Let me go to Chelsea and win the Premier League. So guys, personal terms is not an issue. But the issue here is that, guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions once again. My name is Richman. In fact, guys, an update for Mohamed Kudus, Mo Kudus transferred to Chelsea. Now, recently, information just came that Kudus is open to join Chelsea. And initially, Chelsea go with a swapping. Yes, plus a player to sign Kudus, and West Ham rejected that. Now, guys, West Ham asked for Robert Sanchez or Keenan Drosborough-Hall. Yes, if Chelsea will bring any of these players plus cash for Kudus, they will accept. Yes, and Chelsea said that, okay, for now, we are not selling Sanchez. Rather, we are selling Keenan Drosborough-Hall. But if they ask to leave, we will sell them. We will allow them to leave. But for now, we are not selling any of them. Guys, but this same Chelsea told us that, guys, if you can remember, they are selling Petrovic and Sanchez. Now West Ham asked for Sanchez. Chelsea informed West Ham that they are not selling Sanchez unless Sanchez asks to leave. Well, maybe that is negotiation strategy from Chelsea, if we may say, or that is a plan work from Chelsea in order to sign Mohamed Kudus. And Mo Kudus has a release clause of 85 million for English teams. And 80 million for European teams. And 120 million for Saudi teams. 85 million for English teams, 80 million for European teams, and 120 million for Saudi teams. So if Chelsea will sign Kudus, that means Chelsea will have to pay 85 million. So Chelsea this season, Chelsea don't want to spend much. So that is why Chelsea is including a player. By the way, West Ham asked about Robert Sanchez or Keenan Drosborough-Hall, if Chelsea will include those players. And as I said, Chelsea said they are not selling them unless they are ready to leave. So guys, this swapping deal with Robert Sanchez or Keenan. In fact, it will also come to the amount of money or the fee Chelsea will add to any of these players. So let's say Kudus is 85 million as we are speaking now. So Keenan, how much Keenan will worth, guys? Let's say Keenan, how much did Chelsea even sign him? Okay, let's say Keenan will worth 35 or 30 million. 35 or 30 million. So how much can we balance? Yes, to make it 85 million. So maybe Keenan and some 30 million or some 40-45 million. But Kudus, he is a good player, but just that, for me, I am afraid. Because of his form last season. Kudus is talented. I'm telling you, the guy is super. Our Ghanaian brother, when it comes to football, let's play football. Let's put the ball down. Let's play football. Kudus is number one. See, the guy is good. So even as I said already, at Ajax, Kudus at Ajax, I am paying 100 million. But Charlie, Kudus last season, Charlie. No. We didn't see the Kudus we used to know. By the way, it will come down to the features who will add to Robert Sanchez or Keenan. And for me, I will accept any swapping deal when it comes to these two players, especially Sanchez. For Keenan, dear, we can say some games he can be a super sub. But Charlie, if Chelsea is signing Maignan, we will come to that, guys. So please continue watching this video till the end. If Chelsea will sign Maignan, I don't see Sanchez being in Chelsea. So Chelsea should listen to West Ham, and maybe they should consider the fee rather to reduce the fee plus Robert Sanchez to get Kudus. Because guys, I can't see Kudus and Cole Palmer playing together. If Kudus and Cole Palmer playing for Chelsea next season, Nicola Jackson is scoring goals for fun. Delap and Jackson will score goals for fun because all these two guys are created dribblers, yes, assisters, yes. When it comes to football, using the brain, all these players are good on that. Cole Palmer and Kudus. So next season, having Cole Palmer, having Kudus in this Chelsea attack, Jackson will score 30 plus goals, and Delap will also score 30 plus goals. Next season, having Mohamed Kudus, having Cole Palmer, in fact, Chelsea we are winning the Premier League. Next season, having Mohamed Kudus, having Cole Palmer, Chelsea next season we are winning the Champions League. I can't wait to see this. So guys, that is the latest information for Mo Kudus. Yes, they asked, or West Ham asked for Robert Sanchez to be included in that deal and Keenan Drosborough. But as I already explained, Chelsea said they are not selling them unless they are asked to leave. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea do the swapping deal? Be it Robert Sanchez or Keenan Drosborough? Who should Chelsea use for the swapping deal among these our two players, guys? Let me hear from you under the comment section, guys. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And let's come to the next transfer. A new goalkeeper Chelsea to sign Maignan. But latest information just came that, guys, Maignan is pushing to join Chelsea. Maignan informed AC Milan that he wants to play for the Pride of London, the best club in the world, the best club in London, the best club in England, Chelsea. Maignan said that, I want to play for Chelsea. AC Milan, let me go. Let me go to Chelsea and win the Champions League. Let me go to Chelsea and win the Premier League. So guys, personal terms is not an issue. But the issue here is that, guys, AC Milan is asking for 25 million to 30 million. But Chelsea is ready to pay 20 million. That is the real deal here. Or that is the real issue here. That is the condition for Maignan not coming to Chelsea up to now. Yes, that is the starting point. So guys, as I said, for Maignan, he wants to come to Chelsea because Chelsea will give players career, will give players future. Yes, look at all the players, PSG, Arsenal. It's Chelsea they came, Giroud and co. Chelsea they came and fulfilled their dreams, win trophies. Upon Thiago Silva dominating European football over the years, he came to Chelsea and we gave him Champions League. Mauricio Sarri, in his entire career as a manager, he never win a trophy. Chelsea, he came, we deliver him, we gave him trophies more. I'm telling you, if it happened that Arteta came to Chelsea, but now Arteta will be Champions League manager or Champions League winning manager. Or Arteta will be Premier League. Chelsea will give managers and players career. So for that matter, Maignan is pushing to join Chelsea. Guys, that is the latest information from Maignan because AC Milan is also pushing for him to renew his contract. Milan is currently, as we are speaking, pushing, asking the guy to renew his contract because next season he will go on free transfer if he doesn't renew his contract at AC Milan as we are speaking now. So that is why Chelsea don't want to pay the money AC Milan is asking for. Chelsea knew very well that like PSG Mbappe, yes, issue. If you can remember, PSG asked for 200 million, Madrid said they won't pay because they knew very well that the next season Mbappe will be leaving for free. So they waited. So that is the same move Chelsea is taking. So at the end of the day, if Milan doesn't take the 10 million or the 20 million Chelsea is offering, and this guy doesn't renew his contract next season, they will not even get £1 or 1 cedi or 1 naira or 1 watt. So guys, that is the issue. Yes, or that is the latest transfer for Maignan to Chelsea. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. Should Chelsea pay for it? Please, guys, you are watching the videos, you are doing the likes, everything you are doing for me, I appreciate it, I support. Yes, God will bless everybody who is watching my videos. God will bless everybody who is supporting me. But please, you are not commenting. For commenting there, you will just watch and run away. You are no. For I don't know why. I don't know whether I'm not making sense here or please tell me if I'm not making sense, then I will change the approach because you are not commenting. And the way the system will keep on say YouTube where you see likes and comments, they are engagement. It helps the video for the algorithm to push it more. So whilst you are giving me the watch hours, you are giving me the likes, please just finish me. Just complete me. Drop the comment button. Drop the comment. Yes, if you are going to help me, just help me 100%. You are helping me, but you are helping me, let me say 99. It's just level commenting. For commenting, they are not seeing it. Sometimes when I upload a video, I want to see the comment, to see like you people appreciate what I'm doing, you people like what I'm doing, so that it will motivate me. For me, I like motivation more than $1 million. If you put motivation down and put 1 million down, I'm choosing. Hey, can I choose motivation over $1 million? I don't know. So guys, please leave a comment. And let's come to, yes, another transfer. The striker Chelsea want to sign from Frankfurt. Yes, as we are speaking now, Chelsea is still working on the deal. Chelsea is pushing and pushing and pushing. A pregnant woman is about to give birth. So Chelsea continue pushing and pushing and pushing to land Ekitike, because information said that Liverpool also interested. Liverpool want to sign him, but the issue is the fee. Yes, Frankfurt 180 or 100 million. So Chelsea want to see if they can negotiate better for Frankfurt to reduce the fee. Yes, Chelsea will sign him. So as we are speaking now, Chelsea is working harder and harder to land him. Yes, and to pay lesser fee. Chelsea is not spending much this summer, guys. I'm telling you. And we are even sick and tired as Chelsea fans. Chelsea spend 1.5 billion. Chelsea do this. Chelsea spend this, and yet they just won Conference League. Upon spending 1.5 billion, you supposed not to win the Conference League and be celebrating. Yes, how much did Manchester United sign Hodgson? This season, City went trophyless. Look at their spendings. Nobody is talking about all these teams. Everybody is talking about Chelsea is spending 1.5 million. Chelsea is spending 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion won't come to net spending. Chelsea doesn't spend 1.5 billion. Chelsea sold a whole squad and then signed a whole squad. So you have to do that calculation. Don't just come and be pushing things to favor your agenda. So guys, yes, that is the information for Ekitike. Chelsea want to sign him on lower fee. Yes, Chelsea don't want to pay the 80 million or the 100 million. Yes, Frankfurt is asking for. By the way, let me hear from you under the comment section. This striker, do you think we even need him, Ekitike? Yes, because Charlie, all these kind of signings are risky signing. But these are our owners. They don't listen. They have hard ears. They don't listen to anybody. Chelsea fan, you cry, you come here, open our mouth. See, when I look at almost all, let me say 99% of Chelsea channels on YouTube, they are supporting Chelsea signing Osimhen. Yes, they are seeing it all. Social media, everybody is on social. Whatever we are doing here, they are seeing everything, the honest, but they won't listen. They have hard ears, as I said. So let's hope all these players they are signing, they come and perform. They come and prove us wrong. They come and deliver, because if Chelsea players started delivering, at the end of the day, Chelsea is winning. At the end of the day, Maresca is winning. The fans were winning. At the end of the day, we win important trophies. So let's hope the players they are signed, they come and deliver. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Do you think we even need Ekitike? Yes, guys. And let's come to Liam Delap. Yes, earlier it was 50-50 whether Liam Delap will play the Club World Cup or he will join under 21 England under 21. But now confirm, guys, Liam Delap will play the Club World Cup with Chelsea. He will not join England under 21. Yes, now everything confirmed. Delap will join the squad to go and play the Club World Cup. He will not join England under 21. And his shirt number also revealed Delap's shirt number. Liam Delap's shirt number will be 9. Will that case continue or it will stop this time around? Liam Delap. I think who wore it before Delap now wearing the number 9? Who wore it? Lukaku. Yes. Abraham wore it. Lukaku wore it. Morata wore it. Higuain wore it. And who? So this number 9 case in Chelsea, let's hope this time around it will stop, because Liam Delap cannot be a flop. No. I don't see Liam Delap flopping in Chelsea. I see Delap scoring goals for fun, guys. So Liam Delap will wear the number 9 shirt. Yes, and Cole Palmer shirt number also changed to 10. Last season, or when Cole Palmer joined Chelsea, he was wearing 20. Yes, shirt number as 20. But this time around, his shirt number will be 10. Yes, and that 10 was for Modric, but because Modric is absent, so even if Modric returns, Chelsea will do what? Chelsea will give him a new shirt number. By the way, if the season is going to start, Chelsea will come out with, yes, an update for all the player shirt numbers. But Liam Delap will wear the number 9 shirt, Cole Palmer will wear the number 10 shirt. That is the latest information. And another latest information just came that Chelsea want to sign Man City former centre-back Laporte, if you can remember about it. And now it seems he's playing for Saudi, guys. And yes, we need that experience. But this Laporte guy, I think he's older. Does he have the energy again to play in the Premier League, to play at the highest level? So for me, that is my issue. But he's good. He's good. Yeah, his days at City, he wasn't a bad player. But the age and the competition or the place he went to, Saudi, can he still come and play that competitive football? Yes, Emerick Laporte. Guys, that just interested to sign him. And another latest information just came that Arsenal made inquiries about Kepa Arrizabalaga. Arsenal and this one, like, I'm not surprised. For Arsenal, they always sign our chaffs. Yes, our use old players. I remember them signing Williams, and they signed Jorginho, and now they are coming to Kepa. So I'm not surprised about this thing. But Kepa, he's not a bad player. Kepa is not a bad goalkeeper. No. Kepa, on his days, he's going to give you that good performer. But just our issue was the long shots. Kepa will do everything, save penalties, do whatever. But if 1 year baby stand and play a shot, Kepa can save it. That was our problem with Kepa. Apart from that, when it comes to close and save, everything Kepa was good. But the long shots. So it came to a time that Ilule Premier League players understood that. Yes, that is his deficiency. So anytime that Chelsea is playing, you see, yes, those teams then coming out with that long shot. And it was scoring. It was a very disturbing to we the Chelsea fans. So for me or Chelsea fans, maybe that is our issue with Kepa. That long shot he could not save. But apart from that, Arsenal should bring 100 million. Arsenal bring 100 million for the best goalkeeper in the world. Kepa Arrizabalaga, the Spanish international, Chelsea FC. He is a Champions League winner. Kepa has the experience. Yes, Kepa won the Super Cup with that marvelous penalty save. So Arsenal, come and take him. Yes, he will show you the way. He will teach you the way. He is a Champions League winner. Because Havertz wasn't there, that is why you could not beat PSG. I'm telling you. So please, Arsenal, come and include, yes, Jorginho left. So now Havertz and Kepa, they will show Arsenal the way how to win the Champions League, because they are from a Champions League winning camp. So guys, that is the latest information. Yes, latest news for Chelsea as we are speaking now. And if anything happens again, I will update you. So please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And as I said, guys, please, we'll create another channel called Football Lions Extra. For that channel, we'll be talking about other transfer news. Yeah, podcasts will be coming there, other football news. Chelsea will be included on that. Manchester United, Arsenal, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Liverpool, any transfer news, any football news. Football Lions Extra. That is the new channel or the second channel name. Yes, and the second channel name is under the description of this video. Please go and click subscribe to that channel. Let's reach the 1,000 subscribers mark before this transfer window close. Yes, we move. Take care. Peace.